All right, and then the second assignment for today is 2.12, solving more equations. That's why I grouped them together. They're both really short, pretty easy, and they go over the same thing. Okay, so this one's kind of a visual representation on what equations are. So this scale is showing the weight of boxes. It's balanced. So we want to determine the weight of the small orange box using an algebraic method. So I don't know how much each orange box weighs, so I'll use a variable to represent that. There are 6 orange boxes on the left-hand side, and that's equal to how many orange boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4 orange boxes, so 4x, because x, I don't know how much it weighs, but I have 3 4-pound boxes and 1 3-pound box. So I'm going to add up all of the weight and basically solve for x. So 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 1 is 3. We'll add those together. We'll move the 4x to the other side, so 2x equals 15. X equals 7.5, which means that each box is 7.5 pounds. I do have the second one assigned to you. You can pause the screen, check your work here. I'm not actually going to go through it because they're one-step linear equations. Pretty basic. If you need help, send me an email. I'll help you through these. And then the other one, we're going to skip number 3, number 4, number 5. Take a look at the review. Nice little review here for you. Solving linear equations, more steps, a couple step questions here. And then we're going to move on to number 6, because the solutions to these aren't just numbers. So I'm going to go over those with you. So I'm going to solve for x just like I've been doing this whole time. We'll simplify 2x equals 2x plus 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. And we'll subtract 2x from both sides, and you get 0 equals 6. Well, your variable went away. Now, does 0 ever equal 6? No. So we say that this has no solution. If I graphed these two, if I graphed both of these lines, like this as a line and this is a line, they'd be parallel to each other. They'll never intersect. But that's for another topic. But 2 numbers not equaling each other means that there's no solution. There's no possible variable x that we could plug in that would satisfy both sides of the equation. Okay, and then this next one, I'll do the same thing, cancel here, reduce that big fraction there, so we've got some smaller numbers to work with, distribute the 5, reduce the right-hand side with the fraction, combine like terms, and then move the x over, move the 5 over, and we get 0 equaling 0. Different than 0 equaling 6, because 0 does equal 0. So if I were to graph these two equations, so if I graphed this, and then I also graphed this, it would be the same line right on top of each other. So we say for this that it's all real numbers, or you can also describe it as infinitely many solutions. So you will need this for the formative or the summative or the cumulative exam review.